Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Day, I want to talk to you about making your own pasta. All right, before we jump into that, I'd just like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just click that little red button right down there and then ring the notification bell that pops up afterwards. That way you'll get notified whenever I post one of these videos. All righty, so making your own pasta. There are a lot of different ways you make your own pasta. You can totally roll it all out and cut it by hand, or they actually have hand-powered crank devices for it, or ones that are attached to certain mixers like the KitchenAid mixer and stuff, where you mix your dough and you run it through it, and it flattens out the dough, and you got different settings of thicknesses, and you have more that cuts different widths and everything else. So it can really save you a lot of time for making spaghetti, broad noodles, the pieces of dough for making raviolis or tortellinis or any of that stuff. You can make a lot of this stuff with these machines really easy, and it'll save you a lot of time. All right. So if you're thinking about the possibility of making your own pasta, look into these. There's a lot of different ones to check out on, because they do, let's say, there's more manufacturers than I can count on my hands, and there's different types as well. Some of them only do certain things. Some of them do a lot more. Some of them you buy just the basic unit, and then you got to buy extra attachments for that unit, depending on what sort of pastas you want to do. So do your own research and check into it to find out what works best for you. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, kitchen equipment. Why? This is why.